Every 11 years, the sun performs a mysterious cosmic trick. Its north becomes south, its entire magnetic field flips, and this strange phenomena send ripples across the entire solar system, including Earth. But here's the part that scientists still find terrifying. When the sun flips, Earth's magnetic shield weakens, satellites malfunction, and something much darker may be unfolding right beneath our feet. What causes this magnetic reversal? What does it mean for us? And what dangerous chain reaction could it secretly trigger right here on Earth? Could the sun's internal chaos be powerful enough to disrupt life on Earth? Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll never look at the sun the same way again. The sun isn't just a blazing ball of fire, it's an enormous magnetic engine, one so powerful it shapes the orbits of planets, controls solar storms, and drives phenomena on Earth that we barely understand. At the core of it all is the sun's magnetic field, generated by something called the solar dynamo. Deep beneath the sun's surface, electrical charged plasma churns violently. This movement, combined with the sun's rotation, creates powerful magnetic loops that emerge through the surface as sunspots and solar flares. But here's the twist. Unlike Earth, the sun doesn't rotate evenly. Its equator spins faster than its poles, and this imbalance causes the sun's magnetic field to twist, stretch, and tangle until it can no longer take the stress. And that's when it snaps and flips. This magnetic flip happens like clockwork every 11 years in what scientists call the solar cycle. At the beginning of each cycle, the sun's magnetic field is relatively calm and orderly, but over time, magnetic energy builds up, sunspot activity increases, and solar storms become more violent. Eventually, this chaotic buildup reaches a tipping point. The magnetic poles suddenly switch places, north becomes south, and the entire heliosphere, the bubble of the magnetic influence around the sun, reverses. This isn't just a surface level change, it's like reversing the electric current of an entire star. And when this happens, solar radiation can surge across the solar system, disrupting satellites, space missions, power grids, and even Earth's weather patterns. If this is blowing your mind so far, hit that like button so more space lovers can see it. Now let's go deeper. During and after the flip, Earth becomes more vulnerable. Our planet's magnetic field acts like a shield, but when solar storms intensify, this shield can weaken, allowing more cosmic radiation to seep in. We have seen the effects before. In 1989, a solar storm knocked out power across Quebec. In 2003, the Halloween storms damaged satellites and diverted flights. And in 2025, we are nearing another solar maximum, and scientists are watching the sun like hawks. But here's what they won't say on the news. Some researchers believe these magnetic flips may also influence what happens beneath Earth's crust. Yes, you heard that right. There may be a link between the sun's magnetic behavior and earthquakes on Earth. While this theory isn't proven, a few geophysicists have proposed that intense solar cycle might subtly influence tectonic stress. It's controversial but worth exploring. We'll dive into that mystery in our next video, the link between solar activity and earthquakes. You might be wondering, if this happens every 11 years, why care now? Because the sun's magnetic flips don't just cause pretty auroras, they reboot the entire solar system's magnetic environment. Some recent solar cycles have shown increasing intensity, and solar cycle 25 may be one of the strongest in decades. Satellites, astronauts, even high-frequency communications are now more vulnerable than ever before. And as we push deeper into the space age, understanding how and when the sun flips is no longer just a scientific curiosity, it's a need of the time. And I'll meet you in the next video.